Alright, let's get your iPhone 11 up and running on Mint Mobile's eSIM first. Make sure you have your Mint Mobile activation kit ready and a stable Wi-Fi connection, because we'll need the internet to get this going. Open your Settings app, scroll down, and tap Cellular. Then, you'll select a cellular plan. Your iPhone will start searching for available plans. You may be asked to use a QR code. If so, grab your Mint Mobile activation kit and use it to find your QR code. Hold your iPhone's camera over the QR code on the Mint Mobile activation kit. Your phone should recognize it automatically. After the QR code is scanned, we wait. You will see a loading screen while your iPhone downloads the digital SIM and prepares it for activation. This could take a minute or two, so be patient. Once the digital SIM has downloaded, you will be asked to label your new cellular plan. Choose something that makes sense for you, like Mint Mobile or Personal. Next, you'll be asked a series of questions on how to use your phone with a new plan. You'll specify which line will be the default, along with how you would like to use iMessage and FaceTime. Finally, when everything is set, you should see a signal indicator from Mint Mobile in the top corner of your screen. If you see this, congratulations, you've successfully activated your eSIM. You can now make calls, send texts, and use data with your new Mint Mobile plan. Enjoy the freedom of a SIM-free experience.